Hi everybody, it is Building aka Oki, and I'm here to do another video on how to use the layout editor to flip multiple tiles and line them up. I've already done one video just flipping tiles using the layout editor. This is a follow-up, and I'm also doing a couple of other videos after this one. So we're starting with a tile. We already have a tile flipped, but we have 4 more tiles that we need to get the exact same size and also rotated the exact same amount. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save both of my files, and I'm going to move. I'll change the size of these ones a little bit so they're marked as something we want to work with. Okay, so I'm only saving just one of the files, opening it in the layout editor. Okay, so I have 5 tiles here. Only one of them is at a 90-degree angle, and so I want all of them to have the same rotation or roll and the same scale. So I'm going to highlight all of them. So I click in this cell, hold down the shift, click bottom one, and it highlights all of them. Okay, so the original one was 1.5, so let's, in this, the scale set to part, we put in 1.5, and we click the scale, and notice it changes all of them to that exact number. Now, only the scale works like that. So now, when we want to go and roll something, which actually doesn't set it to this specific number, it says move amount. So that's the amount that it moves it. So if I click roll here, it added 90 to the already 90 that was there. So now we have 180. That's not what we wanted. So if you have a positive number here, it adds. And if you can pick rotate, pitch, or roll, all of these 3 ones, add or subtract. If you put a negative, it will subtract. So if I highlight this one row, that's too much. Put in a negative 90 and roll, it resets it back to 90. Okay. You can just like zero out stuff really quick, entering 0 and then the down arrow, and it goes through the different records so that all of them are reset so that you can roll by 90. This time it did negative 90. What I'm going to do is put it back positive. So anyway, that's how you set the scale and roll all of them. And you can save it to that file, load it up, and they're all rolled and scaled the right way. Now, the 4 are partially in the ground. So if you want to move it half the distance up to fix that so they're all level with the ground, you use the scale number and click up. And then save it again. And now they're all touching the floor. If you want to move all of them to be in a line with this one, instead of modifying all of these, all I had to do was right click on this record that's highlighted as the original tile, so copy info, highlight the other 4, and then right click again and paste info. So now they're all in the exact same spot. I will show you this. You can tell because it's discolored and stuff. They're all in one spot. Okay, so I want them to be lined up. So with them all selected, I'm going to change this to 3 because if you want to move it a full tile width or length, it has to be double what the scale is. So it's 3, and then I want to move everything. I have my compass out. I want to move everything east. So what I'll do is move east, and I'll show you what happens. It moves all the stack to the east. I unhighlight 1 to keep it there, and then I do east again, unhighlight, east, unhighlight, east, save, load, and now I have a row of tiles all lined up perfectly. All right, everybody, thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next video.